This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Katrina Griggs. Beautiful condo in York County. Tabb School District. Tile bathrooms, double sinks, double closets in master, jetted tub, built-in shelving in the living room, open floor plan, and much more. Washer and dryer convey as is. Condo fees cover water, grounds, and pool maintenance. Home warranty to convey until June 2021. The parking spot is number 81 and 1 visitor. A 2-hour notice is required. Price to sell. For more information, review the details below or contact Katrina Griggs at 757-549-2000.